In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Namecheap discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Namecheap discount promo code. Right here, select this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see, we have a list of different promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 15% discount of your next order, all you have to do is select your coupon code from right here. This is the promo code that you can copy, and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get this 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retailminot.com. And as you can see right here, we also have a list with promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this discount right here to your domain, all you have to do is select show code, and you can copy this promo code from right here, and you can apply this one in order to get the discount for your domain purchase. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.